What if we could expect surprises and act differently when they happen? How would that make our lives better? I realized my life had become an emotional roller coaster. And I was just up and down all the time. If I was driving, if I was getting a present, if I was being made redundant, up and down all the time. And that's when I made the conscious decision to begin looking out for surprises and act instead of react to them. I developed a dialogue that actually calms myself down by saying, anything can happen at any given time. It's called life. Thank you.